to enable Apple Pay on your Stripe store. Start by accessing the Stripe website and logging into your dashboard, which can be found in the top right corner. From there, navigate to the settings by clicking on the cog icon. Then look for the product settings and click on the payment method tab. You'll see a list of options, including card tier. But since you're interested in Apple Pay, scroll down to the Wallets section. If you're in test mode, Apple Pay may already be enabled. But for a live store, you'll need to toggle it on. You'll also have the option to configure settings, such as adding a domain or new application. And you'll notice other wallet options like Google Pay, PayPal, WeChat, and Alipay. Enabling Apple Pay and other wallets can be beneficial for your store, as it provides a convenient checkout experience for customers, allowing them to make a purchase in just a few seconds. This can increase conversion rates and drive sales, as customers won't need to enter their card details, making it a more secure and trustworthy experience. Once Apple Pay is enabled, your customers will be able to check out using this method, making it a valuable addition to your store.